Most of us are prone to lethargy, lack of energy, poor lifestyle choices, and stress. It's the way we live our lives in this day and age. But did you know that there are all-natural plants and herbs that can revitalize you and give you the much-needed boost to being your healthiest, happiest self? Here are some such ingredients and the benefits they provide. And they are all available in one amazing tea blend, the Hot Skinny Tea. Garcinia cambogia extract, sourced from a tree native to India and Southeast Asia, has the potential to act as a fat blocker due to its accumulation of hydroxycitric acid. It can block enzymes that produce body fat, raise serotonin for better moods, and may even suppress appetite. Lemongrass is the quintessential cleanser that gets rid of body toxins and balances body processes such as liver function. Sencha green tea can clear your skin, increase energy levels, and even kill oral bacteria. Lotus leaf, a.k.a. the blood tonic, not only regulates blood pressure but can also help increase iron-carrying capacity and moisturize the skin. Chamomile works wonders for stomach discomfort and can also relieve stress and insomnia. Senna leaf, a natural laxative from North Africa, can soothe inflammatory complaints like hemorrhoids or irritable bowel syndrome, thereby assisting in more efficient removal of toxins and wastes. This boosts metabolism and may help in getting rid of unwanted body fat. Fennel helps with inconveniences like diarrhea, bloating, and menstrual aches. Pu-erh leaf, a plant from Southwestern China, improves mental health and also cleanses your body of toxins. Stevia is a zero-calorie natural sweetener. Now, each of these amazing ingredients has been specially sourced and packaged into one stellar detoxifying tea blend, the Hot Skinny Tea. Together, they make a full-flavored drink that helps to cleanse your body, boost your energy levels, reduce bloating, keep your blood pressure and cholesterol at normal levels, and maybe even drop some weight in the process. Hot Skinny Tea offers 2 packages. If you are looking to start your health journey, the 14-day detox is a perfect opening kickoff. However, you can further boost your progress with the 28-day detox if you don't feel tempted to share it with a friend, that is. Whatever you choose, this all-natural, high-quality product is guaranteed to give quick, visible results, renewed health, increased energy, and a happier life. To lose weight fast, join the Hot Skinny Tea program. Click the link in the description box, like, comment, share and subscribe.